How to fix your account is restricted on Skrill app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling an issue that a lot of Skrill users face, the dreaded your account is restricted message. If you have run into this problem and you are locked out of your Skrill account, stick around. I will walk you through some easy steps to help fix it. First, let's talk about why this restriction happens. Skrill usually restricts account due to reasons like suspicious activity, incomplete verification or violation of their term and service. Now that we know why this happens, let's dive into the solutions. First, complete the verification process. If your account is restricted due to incomplete verification, go to account verification section in the app, upload the necessary documents like your ID or proof of address and follow the instruction carefully. Next, if Skrill flagged your account for suspicious activity, check your email for any alerts from Skrill. They may ask for additional information or ask you to confirm recent transaction. Follow their instructions to clear any restrictions. Next, if the restriction persists, reach out to Skrill's customer support. You can contact them through their in-app chat, email, or their website. Provide as much information as possible about the issue to help them resolve it quickly. Lastly, avoid using a VPN or proxy when accessing your Skrill account, as it can trigger security restrictions. Always log in from a secure, stable network. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the your account is restricted issue on the Skrill app. This helps you get back to your account without a hitch. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.